Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete process of filling out the CAT 2023 application form. So before applying, please check your eligibility for CAT 2023. To be eligible for CAT 2023, the candidates must have a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA from a recognized university or educational institution. And also, candidates in the final year of bachelor's degree or equivalent can also apply. Now, let's have a look at some important dates with respect to CAT 2023. This year, IIM Lucknow is going to conduct the CAT entrance exam for MBA admissions. The registration window for CAT 2023 is now open and it's time for all of you to mark your calendars because the CAT exam is scheduled for 26th of November 2023. This year, the exam will be conducted in 3 sessions at approximately 300 test centers across 155 cities in India. And also, the CAT registration is going to end by 13th of September 2023 at 5 p.m. The candidates can download their admit cards on 25th of October 2023 at 5 p.m. Now let's discuss about the things required before filling the CAT application form. So the main things that are required are the recently scanned photograph is required with the dimensions of 1200 into 1200 pixel and the document file should be in the form of JPEG or JPG format. And also the file size should not be more than 80 KB. And also you need to make sure that the photograph should not be more than 6 months old. And whatever photograph that you are going to upload, it should have only a white background. You also need to upload your scan signature with the dimensions of 80 mm into 35 mm. And the document file should be same as .jpeg or .jpg format. And the file size should not be more than 80 KB. You also need to have your mark list of 10th, 12th and graduation if completed. You also need to upload your category certificate if applicable and that should be in the form of PDF document. So candidates, please make sure that you gather all the information you need to fill the form before registering. After keeping all the things ready, let's get into the registration process of CAT 2023. You can register for CAT 2023 at the official CAT website, that is www.iimcat.ac.in. So this is the interface of the CAT website. Now click the register button under new category registration to create your user profile. Here you need to enter your name as per the 10th SSC certificate. After that, you need to enter your date of birth. Please enter your mail ID and the country you belong to. After that, enter your mobile number and confirm your mobile number once again. Now, click on the generate OTP button. So here you will be redirected to CAPTCHA to fill it and submit the OTP received on your mobile number for verification. Please enter the OTPs that you have received to your mobile number and to the mail address and validate the OTP here. Now, fill the CAPTCHA provided and select the checkbox. Please re-verify all the details. Verify all the details that you have entered and if all the details are correct, select all these checkboxes and click on submit. So, within minutes of submitting the registration form, you will be receiving your login credentials on your registered email address. So, with the login credentials that you have received in the mail, log into the website once again. Then you will be redirected to the applicant details page. So, here the applicant's personal details will be displayed. Now, next to that, the top right, you can find a link called Go to Application. Click the link. So now here we need to complete all the 6 sections to submit the entire application form. So firstly, please enter your personal details. So enter your father name, mother name and all the details like your gender, nationality, category. Like here you need to select which category you belong to. So now enter your postal details correctly as it will be used for further communication, and after that you need to enter an alternate email address and an emergency mobile number in the form. So you please make sure that the emergency number should be different from the primary number, and this number will be used for communication in case of any kind of emergencies. So after entering your emergency contact details, now you need to upload your documents. So in this section, you must upload all the mandatory documents that we have discussed earlier. So after uploading, please view your photograph and signature over here and click on Save and Next. Here comes the second section, that is the academics. So in this section, you must enter all your education qualification details. Enter the details in all the sections that are applicable to you. So while entering the marks, if any of the candidates who only have letter grades without providing an equivalent percentage from that particular board or university, then the candidates should obtain a certificate from that particular board or university specifying the equivalent marks. But if any board or university confirms that there is no scheme of converting CGPA into equivalent marks, then the percentage can be calculated by dividing the candidate's CGPA by the maximum possible CGPA and multiply the result with 100. After that, enter your 12th details. After entering your 10th and 12th details, you need to enter your bachelor's degree details. So if you are in the final year of your bachelor's degree and haven't received your results yet, then you need to click this flag. If not, if you have already completed your bachelor's degree, then you need to fill this flag. So please fill your details accordingly. So after entering your bachelor's degree details, if you have any kind of other additional degrees that you hold, please click on this checkbox and enter your details. And if you have also done any kind of master's degree or any professional degree courses, then please enter your details over here. After entering all the details, click on Save and Next. So now coming to the third section, here you need to enter all your work experience details. So if you are a candidate with work experience, enter your experience in days as on June 31st, 2023. And if you are a person who don't hold any kind of work experience, then you can leave this section and you can move forward. And here in the work experience, you need to make sure that only a full-time experience after graduation must be entered. So anything with respect to part-time project, internship or articleship or pre-graduation work experiences, that should not be entered and that will not be counted as a work experience. And also if there are any kind of breaks, please enter them as well. And if there are no breaks, please enter 0. After that, click on Save and Next. So here comes the fourth section, that is the programs. Here you need to select the preferred program and then select the interview cities for that program as per the cities listed. You can also select all the programs at once by clicking on the Select All checkbox above the Programs section. And after that, you need to select your test city preferences. So here the applicant need to select any 6 different test cities as per his or her preference. But here you need to make sure that you will not be allowed to select the same city for more than once. After entering your preferred test cities, please click on Save and Next. So after test city section, you will be entering to the payment section. So here the candidates who belong to general or EWS or NC/OBC category, they will be charged with rupees 2,400, whereas the candidates who belong to SC, ST or PWD category, then they will be charged with rupees 1,200 to appear for CAT 2023. Before go into the payment mode. Please preview your application details once again. Please make sure that every detail, whatever that you have entered, are correct. After that, click on OK. Proceed with the payment. Click on the checkbox and fill the captcha and enter submit. So after submitting, you'll be also receiving a confirmation email stating that the application was submitted successfully. So this is the complete entire process. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked it. Thank you.